Crispy Portuguese fried cod fritters with cilantro and potato. Makes 4 servings and takes 45 minutes to prepare. 400 grams of desalted salted cod, flaked into bite-sized pieces. 300 grams of potatoes, peeled and cut into cubes for boiling. 1 small onion, finely chopped for the fritter mix. 1 handful of fresh cilantro, chopped, about 15 grams. 1 egg to bind the mixture. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for binding and light crisp. About 500 milliliters of olive oil for shallow frying. Salt and black pepper to taste. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place 300 grams of peeled and cubed potatoes in a pot, cover with water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, and boil for 15 minutes until tender. Drain the potatoes and mash until smooth. Squeeze excess moisture from 400 grams of desalted cod in a clean towel and remove any bones. Shred the cod into small bite-sized pieces. Combine warm mashed potatoes with the shredded cod, 1 small finely chopped onion, 1 handful of chopped cilantro, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of flour. Season with salt and black pepper to taste and mix until cohesive. Scoop portions and shape the mixture into small oval fritters about the size of a walnut. Place each fritter on a lightly floured tray to rest. Heat olive oil in a shallow frying pan to medium heat, aiming for the oil to shimmer. Test the temperature with a small piece of the mixture so it sizzles gently. Fry the fritters in batches, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and crisp. Turn them carefully with a spatula to keep their shape. Place the fried fritters on kitchen paper and let them drain for 1 minute to remove excess oil. Arrange the fritters on a serving plate with lemon wedges and a small bowl of garlic aioli if you like. Garnish with a few cilantro leaves. Serve the fritters hot and enjoy the contrast of a crispy outside and tender inside. Now we'll finish and close the recipe. Thank you and enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes. These fried cod fritters are ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and press the bell to get notifications for new videos.